I'm Craig with Datavideo. Today we'd like to show you a new product from Datavideo that focuses in on doing a conference like this. And it's designed for the far end experience.
We are introducing the Datavideo VTC-100, the dual lens camera system with voice tracking.
The VTC-100 has two lenses. The first is a panoramic lens, which you just saw capture everyone in the room. And the second lens is a zoom lens that focuses on active speakers, creating clean switching for the far end experience.
So the camera, the VTC-100, has multiple modes. You just saw the active speaker mode, which you're seeing right now. We also have another mode I'm going to show you right now. Now we just showed you the active speaker mode. Now I want to show you another mode for the camera, which is called the auto framing mode. And the way that works is that if whoever's in the room, we can actually be framed up properly. So right now there's just two of us. If we have a third person, Kathy, maybe you could join us. And now we have three people at the table. The camera will automatically adjust to frame up us perfectly.
And it also works if someone leaves the room.
So Miguel just left the room, so now the camera then frames us up perfectly. So keep in mind the VTC-100 has USB output. I can connect this to a conference computer or my own laptop for my meeting to happen. So this is an awesome camera to allow a far-end experience for your viewer. For more information about how this camera works and to see some of our workflows, please visit our website at datavideo.com. Thanks for watching.